Hi guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions, and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. This is very quick process to do, so make sure to watch this video fully. First, open Opera GX and click on Settings on the left here. Then scroll down on this page and go to Sounds. As you can see, by default, volume is enabled. If it's not, you can enable it right here. You can change keyboard sounds by clicking on Set 1 here. So that way you can change it to Set 2, so it will have a different sound. That's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.